This is the AI News Flash for May 9th, 3 a.m. UTC. First up, Sony AI's table tennis robot Ace defeated 3 out of 5 elite human players, each with over 10 years of competitive experience, marking a historic milestone. Published in the April 22 edition of Nature, Ace features an 8-jointed arm and multiple cameras tracking high-speed ball trajectories, with all actions controlled autonomously by AI, including handling spinning balls and post-net deflections. Matches followed International Table Tennis Federation rules using unaltered professional equipment. Ace lost to 2 active professionals in best of 5, but won 1 game out of 7, demonstrating elite-level competitive ability for the first time. This addresses a 40-year robotics challenge of building machines capable of human-level rallying. Sony AI says similar real-time control techniques apply to manufacturing and service robotics, marking a major physical AI milestone. Second, AI-driven vibe coding is fundamentally reshaping Austin's startup ecosystem, according to CBS Austin reporting. Capital Factory co-founder Joshua Baer, known for backing Eptronic Robotics, Icon 3D home builder, and Paradromics brain implant startup, personally used AI tools to build txvotes.app, a Texas voter resource site. Baer characterized this moment as comparable to the invention of electricity or railroad construction, emphasizing dramatic democratization of technology building, rapid lowering of skill barriers, and an explosion of creativity. This aligns with Cursor's $2 billion ARR, Claude Code's 80% revenue growth, and Airbnb CEO Chesky's statement that 60% of code is AI-generated, symbolizing the arrival of an AI-native startup era. Third, the U.S. food industry sees chefs increasingly using ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner for menu R&D, according to Restaurant Business Online. Don McClung, culinary innovation manager at Columbus, Ohio-based fast casual chain Piada Italian Street Food, fed 30 beverage ideas to ChatGPT during summer drink development, extracting a successful watermelon, strawberry, and cantaloupe combination. Atlanta-based Blade and Tyne founder chef Jason Hernandez positions ChatGPT as just another tool in the toolbox for Latin America, influenced consulting projects also using AI image generators for plate presentation ideation. However, both chefs explicitly state ChatGPT lacks taste buds, cannot fine-tune recipes, and cannot replace human palate or hospitality, highlighting the limits of AI assistant tools as a leading practical implementation example in the food industry. Fourth, South Florida legal experts issued serious consumer warnings about surging use of AI chatbots for legal advice, according to NBC6 Miami. As AI use expands across divorce paperwork, traffic ticket disputes, contract drafting, and court filings, family immigration bankruptcy attorney Giovanna Gallo warned of inaccuracy, incompleteness, and misinformation risks in AI-generated legal advice. Across the U.S., attorneys face mounting sanctions and reprimands for submitting court briefs containing AI-fabricated false citations and case references, with a recent Nebraska attorney case where 20 fictitious citations triggered unanimous disciplinary recommendation. AI legal practice, risk, and consumer protection emerge as top 2026 issues, connecting to Pennsylvania Attorney General lawsuits over false AI medical info and Maine's AI therapy licensing law in the broader state-level AI governance regulation wave. Fifth, Alibaba's Qwen3.6 series 35 billion parameter A3B uncensored Heretic variant with native MTP preserved was released, drawing attention from the open-source AI developer community. Technical highlights include extremely low KLD divergence of 0.0015, low refusal rate of only 10 out of 100 prompts, and full preservation of all 19 multi-token prediction heads. 5 formats are simultaneously available: Safe Tensors, GGUF, NVIDIA FP4, NVFP4 GGUF, and GPTQ-int4, supporting broad hardware compatibility for local deployment and quantized inference. Under China's OpenClaw agentic AI ecosystem and Alibaba's Qwen series AI business consolidation strategy. This uncensored variant of the Qwen3.6 successor symbolizes deepening US-China open-source AI model competition. That's all for this AI news flash.